Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm back with another video, but this one right here, we're gonna pretty much keep it simple, and we're gonna talk about this Chevrolet Camaro back here. We're gonna tell you exactly what we did and how we practice safe painting. We wrap this up, man. We're gonna get right into this video. Thank you for watching. Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is D, and I represent New Touch Auto. And in this video, we got a Chevy Camaro. We're gonna change this thing up, man. But here's the deal. You see the nice cherry red finish? We're gonna be hitting this with a vinyl wrap because the customer really wants something that's gonna stand out from the crowd. The color we're gonna hit it with, similar to this color, but it's gonna be a nice burgundy metallic finish. It's gonna make this car here stand out from any other Chevy Camaro out there on the road. Now, currently you see it's red. The customer obviously likes that color, but we're gonna make it spectacular. Now, here's the deal with this though. This is not a tutorial. This is only a motivational video to show you what you can do to your vehicle to make it look better than it already does. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get started. You may see some clips in this video of vinyl wrapping, but my more so objective is to show you what the finish looks like from what it looks like currently. So y'all, let's go. Stay tuned. So that concludes the end of the video. And what I like to do, I like to talk about exactly what we did to change up the look, man. Let's get into it. So what we have here, the new Chevy Camaro. This here is like no other. Previous color, bright cherry red. This color here is a nice burgundy maroon finish. Sets it off. We got the satin black hood, and then we got to the grill over here. Now this front is different because we liked it to pretty much look different from the rest, so we expanded the grill, made it look larger. No other Chevy Camaro has that we know of. And we swing this joker around. We did the bow ties and each wheel color matched it, so it can pretty much stand out. Didn't want to do too much. We didn't do that. Never do too much because you'll throw it off. Satin black side mirrors, and on the bottom we created a design to go all the way to the back of the side splitter. Now that body kit really brings this car out. And then we take it around the door handles. We wanted to wrap it over the top, give it a nice effect of two different colors. Take it to the back. On that spoiler, we got that red on the side and it's satin black over the top. Antenna black. SS, we got that black. And then we got the area where the tag is, we did that in satin black, made it look different. And as you see, it gets no better than this. So our goal here at New Touch Auto is to make you look different from any other car out there on the road. Now this right here is a one of a kind. This customer can ride around with the confidence of knowing that there is no other Camaro like them. Now leave it in the comments, tell me what you think. Tell me if you would have kept that bright cherry red or you would have made a big change like this right here. We bring style to your ride, man. That's what we do. Now leave it in the comments, and oh yeah, please hit that subscribe button. There are many more videos to check out. And always remember this, when we applying these vinyl wraps, because we do spray wraps, we do vinyl wraps, we do it all. When we apply a vinyl wrap, we practice safe painting because we vinyl wrap it up. If you're interested in one of these t-shirts and you would like to get you one for your business, you want to represent your wrap shop, check out our website at newtouchauto.com. Order multiple colors, other t-shirts available. Check them out. Please hit that subscribe button like I said, and leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think. Catch y'all in the next video.